Ms. Hedgeman, the defendant is your ex-girlfriend's sister.
Yes.
And you're twins, is that right?
Correct.
Is your claim that 2 years ago, you and the defendant's sister were in a relationship? That relationship terminated, but at about the time that the relationship terminated, the defendant assaulted you. And you want to be compensated for that assault, which, according to you, ended up in your being hospitalized for a substantial period of time. And at the time you were pregnant, and it put your child at risk.
Yes.
So I'd like you to tell me on what date this took place.
May 16th, 2015,
Where?
at the defendant's house.
Were you living in her house, or were you visiting?
I was living there
With her sister?
with her sister.
The two sisters and you. So the
Yes.
three of you were living in the house?
Yes.
How long had you been living in the house?
I'll say from January to April, and then I left and went to Dallas, and then I came back about a month later. And
You left on vacation, or you left
I
permanently?
left to move. I moved to Dallas, trying to make a way for myself and just move out.
So at that point, the relationship broke up?
We were still talking. We were still together.
Well, you can't be together if you're in one state and your
Correct.
partner is in another.
We were still talking, you know, texting, communicating. She would
Well,
come
you were
and visit me.
communicating, but you had left. When you left the residence in May, you went to what state?
It was in April.
April.
Yes.
What
I went
state?
to Dallas.
Where did you go in Dallas?
I stayed at a hotel
For how long?
about 2 weeks
When you came back to Arkansas, where did you go?
with the defendant's sister.
So you renewed your relationship,
Yes.
and that was in...
That's about the beginning of May,
How long had you and the defendant's sister been in a relationship?
since 2013.
So for a while.
Yes.
And was this pregnancy, because you were pregnant at the time of this assault, that's what I read in the paper. And was this pregnancy something that the two of you planned?
We talked about it. We didn't talk about with who, but we did talk about it before I was.
Had you discussed that this was what you were going to do, or was this an unplanned thing? Is
It
my
was
question.
unplanned.
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 Is that one of the things that you fought about?
Yes.
Okay. When you came back in May, tell me what happened on May 16th.
May 15th, the night, about a couple hours before the 16th started, I was at my ex-girlfriend's job at the time until she got off because there was already animosity in the house, and the sister called the police on me.
There was animosity in the house in what regard?
Her sister didn't like me.
So you and the defendant weren't getting along.
Correct.
I'm going to come to you. Listen to me. Tell me why you weren't getting along with her, if you weren't, when she came back from Dallas.
Well, Your Honor, she never stayed in my house.
You mean she never slept in your house?
No.
Ever?
Never.
Well, where did she stay with your sister?
My sister had came, you know, they'll visit, like come for a couple of hours, then leave. There was one time on occasion, one time, and she's standing up here lying.
Just a second. Where did your sister live?
She had her own apartment.
So is what you're telling me that the plaintiff and your sister lived together?
Yeah, in another apartment.
And they always lived in another apartment before May?
Yes.
What happened in May?
I was laying on the couch. My sister, Nashandra Denson, and Miss Hedgeman came in.
They came for a visit, or did they have any property there?
She had a key that my mom gave her. Nashandra did.
But they had not been living there for,
No,
for
ma'am.
2 weeks before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so they came to visit. And?
And I asked my sister for the house key because Miss Hedgeman claimed that I had called the police on her earlier that day, and I didn't have no control of that. I wasn't the one that had called the police. It was my sister. Other friend had called the police.
Why were the police called?
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Okay, so now on May 15th, you're sitting on the couch, and?
Nashandra Denson and Miss Hedgeman came in.
So the two of them came in,
Yes.
the plaintiff and your sister.
Yes.
Which one is the former girlfriend? That would be you. Okay, go ahead.
Came in and I asked for my house key. And my sister, she didn't want to give me my house key.
Your sister didn't?
Yes. So I called my mom and, you know, asked her, can my sister give me the house key? And Miss Hedgeman said she's not going to give you nothing. And we got into an altercation, and she said, I got something to hold you. And she pulled out a knife out her bosom.
Who did?
Miss Hedgeman, Kayesha
That's a
Hedgeman.
lie, Your Honor.
Shh.